everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Kim. This is Crafted by Kim. Today I have another Christmas edition DIY video to share with everyone using tumbling tower blocks. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you're back, I'm so excited to have you guys back with me. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload videos. Today's video is going to focus on those ever so popular tumbling tower blocks. So I start off by taking 24 of the tumbling tower blocks for the small gift box that I'm going to make, and I glue them in sets of 2. Now for this project, I actually use the Dollar Tree wood glue, and it takes a little longer to dry, but it definitely makes them more sturdy. After the glue is nice and dry in about an hour, I make 2 boxes out of 8 of the double pieces. So now I have 2 boxes and 4 individual pieces that are actually doubles, if that makes sense. Hopefully the video clears that up a little bit. So after that, I take those 4 pieces, glue them to one of the boxes that I make, and then the other to form the hollow box. Set it aside and let it dry. Now let's move on to the bigger box. Same exact concept, except for I'm going to do it with groups of 3. For the bigger gift box, I use a total of 36 of the tumbling tower blocks, and if you see in the video, I actually use one of the corner straight edges or whatever you call them. I don't know the technical term, just because it is bigger and it was a little bit more difficult to keep everything straight when I was gluing it together. After everything was nice and dry, I take my dark walnut stain and I stain both of the boxes. We are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold Once the stain was nice and dry, I used a 1-inch ribbon that I believe I got at whatever ribbon that you like to match your decor. And then I started by gluing it on the inside of the box that I got so you can't see at Hobby Lobby last year. Wrap it around one time, glue it again, and do the exact same thing in the opposite direction to make it look like ribbon wrapped around a Christmas gift. Once that's all wrapped up, no pun intended there actually, I actually made a simple bow for this. I am not the best bow maker. You could probably just buy one of the pre-made bows from the Dollar Tree to stick on top of it. If anyone has any great ideas on how to make bows in an easy way, let me know. For some reason, I have this mental block when it comes to making them, and I'm just not that great at it. Anyhow, moving along to the bigger box. So I just repeat the exact same thing with the bigger box with the bigger ribbon. Once the bigger box is wrapped with the ribbon, you'll see that I actually show you how that I make the bow. If, like I said, if you guys have any greater ideas on how to do it in an easier way, let me know. It's just a struggle that I've always had, and I'm not sure that I will ever be able to make a pretty bow like I've seen everybody else make.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way, riding along, just singing a song, barreling through the snow. Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is the most tired chore. No girl or boy without a toy, so giddy up, Rudolph, my dear. 8 pair of antennas, onwards ever go.
After I struggle through getting this bow made, I take some hot glue it on top of the biggest gift box, and this is how they turned out. They were really easy to make. They were a lot of fun to make. You could actually add some lights inside of them. I didn't think about that until after I was finished with the video. You could totally add lights inside to make them light up at night. I think they are super cute. You could change them out to your own decor, colors, whatever. Let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys again next week. Have a great weekend.